Hello everyone and welcome back to another tutorial from Tech for Gamers. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can download and install the Dragon Ball Z Dokkan battle game on your smartphone. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up the iOS App Store or the Google Play Store, depending on your device. Once you open it up, tap on the search button, and now you can type in Dragon Ball Z Dokkan Battle to begin your search. Once you find the game, you can click on it, and you will see the install button. Tap on the install button and this will begin the download and installation of the game within your device. Just wait for a while until the installation is completed, and you can tap on the play button once it is done. You can also enable the auto open toggle, which will automatically launch the game once the installation is completed. Once the installation is done, you can open up the game, and now you can continue with signing up to create a new account or log into your existing one to start enjoying the Dragon Ball Z Dokkan battle on your smartphone. So there you have it. That is how easy it is to download and install the Dragon Ball Z Dokkan battle game. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel for more useful tips and tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I will see you again in the next one.